Recently, female firefighters from the Phoenix Fire Department took part in a female firefighter cancer cohort study being run by the University of Arizona and Florida State University.
We're taking specific measurements of their gear and their body, and then they're going into a live fire training, and then we're going to be collecting some samples afterwards to measure how those gear measures are associated with changes in combustion and measured in their urine.
The Gear Fit AIM portion of the study has participation from 4 departments nationwide and focuses on the turnouts that are worn by female members.
Today specifically what we're looking at, we're trying to identify key measures that can be used, that departments can use for measuring women and also men. We can identify which measurements and how to take them are the most important for protection.
Previous studies have shown that women in the fire service have an 80% rate of ill-fitting PPE, which is 4 times that of their male counterparts.
For a long time, there's been an assumption that in order to fit women in the fire service, we just need to make it shorter and smaller, kind of this term known as pink it and shrink it in male-dominated fields where PPE is worn. And certainly that doesn't foot the bill. So we have shown in some of our work at Florida State that women in the fire service are anthropometrically different, meaning their body shapes, their body size is different from the general population even. So they need gear made for women in the fire service, not a pattern from a male body that's just tweaked a little bit here and there.
There's always been a one size fits all, and it's just basically been the unisex, small, medium, large, extra large. We're trying to do things that will fit us a little bit better, that will equally give us the movement that we need in a fire structure. With this, it's going to help us better for the movement and the flexibility, in addition, of course, to the protection that it provides all firefighters.
This turnout study is a portion of the overall cohort study, with approximately 1,255 women from over 230 departments in 31 states enrolled.
So everything that they study today is going to be particular for this study, but then also filter over to that national database. And they're trying to follow firefighters over a 30-year career and beyond into retirements, that 30-year packet, and study and find out what their markers are and try and mitigate cancer in different ways that we can.
The goal of this study is to identify exposures and risk factors for increased stress, cancer, and adverse reproductive outcomes in women firefighters to inform future intervention studies.
I think it's going to be a huge impact. Just having the study in the first place, we're able to start answering these questions that women have. Most of the work, if not all of the work we're doing, it is going to be very impactful for the fire service.